This one got stuffed in this right rear corner. Pushed all of this in, moved this quarter panel out just slightly.
By the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Chevy Malibu here. This one got stuffed in this right rear corner. Pushed all of this in. You can see this is all folded up, as well as inside of here. The trunk floor is all folded up in that corner there. This one is going to get this new quarter panel lower extension right here, as well as a new rear body panel, which I have right here. And it's also getting a new used trunk lid, which I already have sitting on there. Now, whenever this got hit, it pushed all of this in, and it also moved this quarter panel out just slightly, maybe a couple millimeters. So this is just slightly wider than it needs to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab this and pull this, and as I pull this out, that should shift back. It won't take much, but it just has to shift back just a little bit. And then once I get that where it's supposed to be, I'll go ahead and start cutting it apart. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to tell in the video, but this gap closed right up, just like it was supposed to. So now the gaps are nice and even. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this apart. Now, if I didn't pull that ahead of time, if I would have just cut this apart, I would have had a hard time getting that to shift back because I wouldn't have had anything to grab. But keeping it like this, I was able to use the old parts to pull off of. So that's why it's always important to pull if it's needed ahead of time before you cut the car apart. So I have this one all fit together. My tail lights all line up nice and even. And the trunk latches and seals nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift those taillights back out and get this rear body panel welded on and finished up.